Today, we will learn vocabulary and expressions to help you at the doctor. Today on English with Morgan, we will learn about women's health. Let's start learning. First, we're going to learn the names and the functions of the female reproductive system. Some females have all of these parts, some of these parts, or none of these parts. The vagina is the muscular tube that connects the external part of your genitals to the uterus. It's where menstrual blood exits the body and plays a key role in childbirth and sexual intercourse. Vulva. The vulva is what you see on the outside of the body, while the vagina is the internal part. Uterus. The uterus, or womb, is where a baby grows during pregnancy. It's located in the lower abdomen. Ovaries. The ovaries are two small glands on either side of the uterus. They produce eggs and release hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which control the menstrual cycle. Fallopian tubes. These tubes connect the ovaries to the uterus. When an egg is released from the ovary, it travels through the fallopian tubes to the uterus. Cervix. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. During childbirth, it expands to allow the baby to pass through. When you visit a doctor, you might hear these questions. When was your last period? Or when was the first day of your last period? Here, period refers to your menstrual cycle. This question helps the doctor understand if your menstrual cycle is regular. Are your periods regular? This means, do they come at the same time every month? Do you experience any pain during sex? This question is asked to see if there is any medical issues that need to be addressed. Have you had a pap smear? A pap smear is a test to check for abnormal cells in your cervix. Are you sexually active? This is the doctor's way of asking if you are currently having sex. Again, this question helps them understand your risk for sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, or sexually transmitted diseases, also referred as STDs. Sometimes professionals, or even your friends, will use more polite words when talking about sensitive topics. This is called a euphemism. You might hear the term private parts to refer to your genitals or your vagina. You might also hear someone say down there, like, do you have any pain down there, referring to your genitals. You might hear monthly visitor, and flow, or your period when talking about your menstrual cycle.
My aunt Flo came early.
Common period products that you can find in the United States are pads, tampons, and some women will use menstrual cups. If you like learning English, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the little bell so you'll always know when I post a new video.